lobster, it is going to be a whole lobster. Is that okay?
Okay. So, if it's a whole lobster, I can't eat lobster and crab. That's too much.
Right. And then can I have like it's gonna be the one with what's the one with all of it?
Chicken stock?
Yeah.
And then you want to make it mild, medium, spicy.
Mild.
Yeah. And then, did you decide on what seafood you want to put
Can
in
I
the
get
bag?
the mussels? And then can I get the snow crab legs?
Mussels and snow crab, got you. Anything else inside your bag?
I wanted mild. You get rice?
Yeah, but I got rice.
I just got one. Did you want to getting
Anything else? Yeah. Okay. I'll do the rice. Good.
Alright. So I just want to make sure everything's here. Dr. Pepper, lemonade.
I'm dead.
That got me out here looking crazy, guys. Crazy in these streets. Can you guys even hear us?
No. I don't want to say this on camera.
My time fi shine, so nobody can take that away. My time fi shine, cause God has something planned for me. Tell them I might. So when you see me on a level, nobody said that your praise no devil. When me all is so comfortable, a long time the king no in a trouble. Me not fi talk about it.
Shake, shake, shake. Damn, look at this. You think I'll be able to eat all of this?
Out of here. Thank you.
Okay, let's dig in. Ooh! Let me show you my little concoction. Just a little salt and pepper. Then I give me some lime. Well, in this case, it's not lime, it's limon. Squeeze. This is like a must-have. This is our late Mother's Day dinner. Let me do a little stir. Yeah. I got mussels, girl. You missing out. Let's see.
I got crab legs,
I got
corn,
mussels.
and potatoes. I don't even.
Get your first potato or something so we can cheers. And I won't feel bad for eating before you. Happy Mother's Day to us. You like it? This is ghetto with me, but look. I'm gonna put my rice right here. I'm sorry. So it could be easy to pick up because who wants to have a... It's good, I'm telling you. Try it. It's the shit. I really didn't feel like this.
It's slimy.
It's not slimy.
Kat was right about the rice. It's good.
It's good, I told you, girl. What's anything without rice?
Be like mine.
I was about to say she could be our friend if she wants.
For me, it's hot.
Hot? Like spicy?
No. Like
Temperature? It is hot.
That's it. Our entanglement.
say, not how they played me with my muscles. They gave me a little bit. I wonder if these things actually work.
Teach us.
Right, I always eat, I just bite that shit. Girl, because I want to get into this shit. How the fuck you supposed to use it? Try and figure it out. Girl, you got more cord. What are you wasting your time on that for? Open this. Maybe I should just use this to feed it.
Oh, wait.
Do it the long one. Oh, that way. It's too much work. That's a lot to do. He must want to sit with us while he keeps staring. I can see him. The guy right here next to us. The one right here next to us. You're funny. That little piece of him. I'm excited to get drunk and shit.
I'm drinking Patron.
I'm drinking Casamigos.
Patron like shit, guys.
They all look confused up in this room.
Yep.
I was so hungry. That's why I'm so quiet. Like, my brain can't function or think. I haven't ate all day. So this meal is like giving right now. What about you? Did you eat today? What you eat?
I ate fried duck and wings.
Who made fried duck? You made fried duck? That's like her fried duck?
So yeah. I'm full, guys.
I'm full too. Like you eat.
1.5. You guys can't even see me. It's
You can
okay.
barely see us.
We outside. Out 2023. That's literally how I eat, guys. That's it. 2 bites and I'm full.
I'm gonna eat. Yeah, I'm gonna eat. This thing is hurting my fucking fingers. All up in the back with this shit. Why you asked for that beer and ain't take a sip yet? I'm tired, girl. Let me enjoy my food, you know? Yes, thank you. Look, the biggest piece I've taken out thus far. Do anything for that boy. All up in the back, with the chicken right beside him. comment. Shit, this rice is fire.
You guys want to see us TikTok some more?
We both got to learn how to dance first. I'm dead.
You guys want to see Kad eat some more of the crab legs? Let us know in the comments below.
I'm dead. Crab legs gonna be gone by the time they get back.
Right. Hey, Kad.
My lips are burning. Lost.
I can smell the sauce.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were recording. I'm so sorry. Okay, real quick. So lemons, 2 bags, 2 the clears, and then 2 lids, and then the check here. Thank you. No rush.
She just knocked you guys down.
Better than. Ooh. I was feeling it too much. I don't even know if I can. Hey, yeah. You gonna mix it? And that's that, folks. We walking out full. My belly probably got bigger. Ooh. Thank you. I'm
I gotta
so
open the
full.
door for the lady.
Don't put on no AC, Tara.
Dang, guys.
I'll be cold as fuck.
I need air. It could be any time of the year. Tar keeps pushing with the air on regardless.
I wish I
Okay.
knew.
Well,
I wish I knew you wanted me. What you do? Make a move.
my God.
I don't even know if that's how it goes.
Got a something planned for me, tell them I might. So when you see me on a level, nobody said I'm your praise, no devil.